A bulk carrier ran aground under pilotage close to the pilot station. The pilot, after boarding the vessel, had tried to connect his laptop to the ship's AIS, which was found faulty by the ship's electrician. On investigation, it was found that the ship's bridge crew did not have the necessary large-scale navigational charts. In addition, the passage plan from the pilot station to the berth was not prepared. The result of this was that they did not have the prerequisites for performing safe navigation, leading to vessels grounding. Lessons learnt. Passage plan should be prepared from berth to berth, rather than pilot to pilot. All the large-scale navigational charts should be ordered and available to the navigation team. The approach charts and other voyage charts are particularly critical for safe navigation and should form a part of critical equipments. The no-go areas should be marked on both sides of the ship's track, and the same should be shown to the taking over watch-keeping officer. An understanding of the same should be ascertained by the outgoing watch-keeping officer. The wheelover position should be suitably highlighted prior to the change of ship's course and based upon the ship's maneuvering capabilities, current, and weather condition. A review of the passage plan should be carried out with the bridge crew and pilot together. The pilot should review the vessel's passage plan, and master should ask for the pilot's passage plan. In case the bridge crew has not studied the passage route earlier, even greater efforts should be made to review the passage plan. The operational conditions of all the navigational equipments should be ascertained prior arrival port. The testing should form part of the arrival checklist. All the navigating officers should have access to the passage plan at all times. While coasting and close to shoals or shallow areas, a greater number of watchkeeping officers should be available for position fixing at a smaller span of time. Ship's position should be ascertained preferably every 3 minutes. Extra lookouts should be posted and available during coastal passage. The master and the watchkeeping officer should brief the bridge team at regular intervals. Coastal navigation requires navigators to be more vigilant. The depths of water should be checked at regular intervals, and preferably, the echo sounder should be kept on when close to shallow waters. A safe and efficient radar watch should be maintained, and radar suitably used for accurate position fixing. In case of any issues, the attention should not be diverted away from navigation. Vessel should proceed with safe speed, and master should be available on bridge during pilotage. Contingency anchorage should be marked for vessel's refuge in case of emergencies.